Hi, it's Tom here from Roy with Transits. This is just a quick walk around video of one of our latest vehicles in stock. So here we've got in for sale today a Ford Transit tipper. This is a one-stop body tipper, single cab, dual rear wheels, rear wheel drive, 6-speed manual, Euro 6, so great for driving into the city. And registered March 2019 and comes with a full Ford manufacturer's warranty. 3 years or 100,000 miles, subject to regular maintenance, whichever comes first. So a good chunk of warranty still left on it. 6-ton gross vehicle mass, so great for towing. Manual air conditioning. Covered just 40,396 miles. Frozen white. Manual release tailboard. Here you can see the painted alloy sides and the high strength steel tipper bed. Fixed controls within the cab. Manual release tailboard, so you can unload underneath or over. Like so. Mud flaps on the rear wheels. Mechanical support as well as emergency stop. And very simple controls, including an isolator for up and down. Different alerts for the up and down when the tipper body is being raised. And now into the cab. So again, for 40,000 miles, just over 40,000 miles. Very good condition inside. Inside you've got the dual passenger seat with a fold down table and useful storage underneath. 8-way adjustment on the driver's seat. Just located next to them and a fixed tipper controls. You get electric windows. Here's your manual air conditioning. And up here's the Ford entertainment system. So you do get Bluetooth connectivity for your phone. You can also connect your phone through auxiliary. Just up here on the dash, all the choice of FM, AM radio. Down here, 6-speed gear stick for the 130 PS engine, so 3 pedals. Power steering. And just confirming the mileage while we're here. So in conclusion and for sale today, here we've got a Ford Transit one-stop shop body tipper. Very nice example, covered just over 40,000 miles. Dual rear wheels, rear wheel drive. High quality steel and alloy body, Euro 6, 6-speed manual. If you're interested or would like to organise a viewing, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you.